Hello students, this is Poonam teacher back with a new video of Science 2, and today we shall study human female reproductive system. So let's start. Now what is female reproductive system? Now this female reproductive system is present into the abdominal cavity and it consists of a pair of ovaries. See, these are the ovaries and it is present into the pair, one this side, and it consists of eggs or the oocytes or the ovum. All these three words means one and the same. So it consists of eggs or the oocytes or the ovum. And then apart from pair of ovaries, there is a pair of oviduct. See, this one is the oviduct. It is also known as fallopian tube or uterine tube. Then it consists of uterus. See, this entire part is known as uterus. Now this uterus, it ends up into cervix, which is not mentioned into the here, which is not mentioned into this figure, but I'll show you that this one is known as cervix. This part, it is cervix. And then the hollow structure right from the cervix till here, it is known as the vagina. And apart from this, there is bulbourethral gland, which is also present, but it is not shown into the figure. Now, how in male reproductive system we saw Cowper's gland, in the same way bulbourethral gland is present into the female reproductive system, and the function of this bulbourethral gland is to secrete a secretion which will act as a lubricant during sexual arousal or during sexual intercourse. Now what happens into a female reproductive system? After a girl becomes mature or at the time of the puberty, right from the puberty starts, that means when the girl starts growing up, right from the age of 10 to 15, an ovum will be released into the abdominal cavity. Now that ovum will be produced over here into the ovary, and then that will be released. Now see, this oviduct is having the free ends, okay, and the central opening, from the central opening the eggs will enter into the oviduct, and now this oviduct will have cilia, hair-like structure, which will push that egg into the uterus. Then that egg will wait for the sperm so that the fertilization will take place. But if that egg do not get the sperm to unite, no fertilization will take place, and then that egg will come out through the vagina into the form of blood, which will be known as bleeding. That is known as the menstrual cycle. So this is how a female reproductive system is. Now this cilia which were present into the oviduct, that will try to push that egg towards the uterus, and here the egg will wait for the sperm. If no sperm comes and no fertilization takes place, that egg will try to come out of the abdominal cavity through the vagina into the form of blood, which will be known as bleeding or menstrual cycle. So this is how the human female reproductive system is.